There's a lot of brands out there in robotics and welding. You marry them together to make your system. Well, with OTC, they made the welder and the robot.
Once you show them, it's proven. I mean, it's really plain and clear that they are, I believe, head and shoulders above the rest of the competition. They're a single source provider, so they do everything from tip to tail, contact tips to drive rolls to the wire feeder, welded control, which is superior. So it's a one-call fix.
We could not ask for a more genuine, good group of people to work with, and they're able to respond to our needs and requests.
Everything that the OTC people told me was exactly the truth. Just the prediction and parts increase, the marriage between a OTC robot and an OTC welder.
What is very unique to them is they do build everything. They build the robot, they build wire feeders, they build the torch tips. Everything that's involved in the process, they build.
So we all understand kind of what the end game is. So it makes it easier for me to explain to the service staff, the sales staff, any management what the goal is. It's an easy conversation to have.
The big thing was the integration between, they're making the machine, the welder, they're making the robot. It's perfect that way.